Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing some dimmable waterproof LED floodlights. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing some waterproof dimmable LED floodlights from the company YeeSite. And these are some floodlights that you guys can use for, lighting effects, for parties, for events, for landscaping, for outside usage, or even just as a spotlight outside for your security cameras. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys do enjoy this video after watching it, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like. That just informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. And if you guys want to follow us on our various social media platforms, our social media accounts and links are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. And then lastly, if you're a business owner or a company owner interested in our product review in the future, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message and we can potentially work together on a future product review. All the product information and also the product link to purchase this product will be down below in the description. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this LED floodlight, there'll be more information and also the link to check out this product. Right now, what we're going to do is actually move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. As you guys can see on the front of the box, well, this is a box, so there's actually nothing on the box, so there's no specifications or details. So what we're going to do is actually proceed to move on to the unboxing portion on the secondary camera angle. Okay, so in order to actually open up this box, you have to open up this flap, pull back, and you guys can see we're instantly greeted with all the goodies inside. We have a remote control right here. Let's pull these floodlights out. And I forgot to mention that this is actually a 4-pack. So there's actually 4 of the exact same LED floodlights that you guys can use. So there is a lot of floodlights with this package. So let me just pull all of these out. So as you guys can see on the primary camera, this is everything that's laid out. We do get included with 2 remote controls, you guys can see on the secondary camera angle. And we also get some nuts and screws that you guys can use and utilize. I think these are for your brackets and stuff. So if you want to use these floodlights on brackets, you can use these screws and nuts that they included. And then we have our user manual that gives you guys more information about how to use these floodlights and how to set them up, and also the specifications and details about these LED floodlights. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how one of these floodlights looks like. So I'm going to take it out of its plastic bag. We have all the different LED lights inside of this. And at this one, it's actually a 15 watt. It's an IP66 on the waterproof scale. You guys can see this is how the back looks like. You do have a bracket that you can actually turn around and have this hanging from a bracket or on the side of your house, depending on how you want to mount this or use this LED floodlight. And then we also get an extension, or I should say a POW cable that's actually pretty long. So I do like that they have a POW cable that's decently length that you guys can use with this LED floodlights. So what we're gonna do now is actually just move on to the testing and demonstration portion and test out these LED floodlights. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna basically get an extension cable, and we're gonna plug these LED floodlights in. What we're probably gonna do is start with 1, and then maybe we'll go up to like 3. We don't need to test every single one out because it's the same thing, but we are gonna plug one of these in and test it out. But we also need to turn off all these studio lights so we can have a better view of these LED floodlights. So let me plug one in. You guys can see, wow, it's already powered on. So I basically just turned off all my lights inside the house. Keep in mind, it's still actually daytime as I'm shooting this, so there is still a little bit of lights that are coming through my windows. But you guys can see that these LED floodlights are pretty bright. As I'm actually looking at it right now, these are bright, so be careful, don't look directly into them or you might, you know, damage your eyes. But you guys can change the color. So right now we have it at red. That is such a deep red. We have green, we got blue, we got, you know, all the different types of colors that you can imagine and think of. So they basically included the whole rainbow set into this remote control. It looks like there is, let's see, 16 different colors. You can increase the brightness or decrease it. So right now I'm decreasing the brightness so that you guys can see it's not as bright, but now I'm increasing it back up. You guys can also go back to white, which was what it was at originally before I switched it. There was also different effects. So like this is a strobe. It's just going to cycle through all the different colors. We have a flash. So this is going to kind of flash through the colors. So you guys can see red, green, blue, yellow, and it continues on. Next up we have a fade. So this is going to fade through all the different colors that this remote has, and you guys can see it is such a very nice kind of lighting. You guys can use this for ambient lighting if you do decorative kind of work, and it's just really nice to have stuff like this handy if you do stuff like that. We also have a smooth transition, so this is going to smoothly change through the colors. And keep in mind, you can increase and decrease by using the dim up and dim down buttons. So if you guys want to, you can actually increase the speed of these transitions, and you can also turn it on and off with the power on button and power off. So right now it's off, and if you turn it back on, it'll turn back on. So let's keep it at white. We're gonna test out 3 of these. We don't need to test out 4, and plus I don't have room on my extension cable, so we're just gonna test out 3 of them. So let's plug 2 more of these in and face them onto me. At the moment, I have actually connected 3 of these LED floodlights to the power source, and you guys can see they are extremely bright. It's actually filling up this whole area, and it's also making me look really, really ghost-like, if you guys want to put it that way. But now, if we wanted to, we could take the remote and change the color. So now red. They all change to red because they're all in close proximity. Green. You guys can see it okay, so it looks like 2 of them are red, 1 is green, so we need to change these ones to green. There we go. So now we have all green and then blue. Oh, there we go. So now we have blue, and then you can go in and change. So basically, if I wanted to, I could change each of these colors individually. So if I wanted red here, but I want green, because it's too close to each other. So if I want red, green, and if I want blue right here, green, blue, you guys can see I look like I'm glitching out right now, right? So you guys can do some really nice effects with these LED floodlights. So we got all the colors right here. You guys can see it looks really nice. I do look like I'm glitching out. You guys can even see my wall. That's actually a really cool effect. So if you guys do video work or you do decorative, what is it called, decorations for events and stuff, DJing, these are ideal floodlights to use because look at it, that's a cool effect. You can't do that with just standard lights. Let's put them all back to white. Let's go in and do a strobe. So it's gonna, whoa, that's actually really cool. So if you decorate for like weddings, parties, birthday parties, you guys can utilize these LED floodlights to give a nice kind of lighting effect. But anyways, what we're gonna do now is move on to the final reflections and remarks and end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about these LED floodlights that are dimmable, waterproof, and just really, really appealing from the company YeeSite? I think that this is a fantastic purchase. I feel like you guys can utilize these LED floodlights to, like I said, get those nice kind of wall effects. You guys can use it for ambient lighting, you guys can use it for professional lighting for your videos. So there's really an endless opportunity that you guys can really use and utilize these LED lights with. You're limitless is what I'm trying to say. there's not really one set stone thing you can do. You can virtually do anything you want with these LED floodlights. So like right now, if I wanted to, I can change it to blue, and you guys can see there's like a nice little blue in the back as I'm talking to you guys, and it just looks really nice and professional. You know, I really like it. You know, it's just, they're small, they're compact. I also like how the cables are, you know, pretty decently long, and they included brackets and screws that you guys can use to screw these floodlights onto various different surfaces. But anyways, what we're gonna do now is kind of wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment, as I reply and read every single comment I receive. If you guys do enjoy this video after watching it, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like, as that informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. If you guys want to follow us on our various social media platforms, our social media accounts and links are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. If you're a business owner or a company owner interested in a future product review, our business inquiries email is CrewEliteYT@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message and we can potentially work together on a future product review. All the product information and also the link to purchase these LED floodlights will be down below in the description for you guys to check out. So if you guys need more information or actually want to purchase these LED lights, there will be more information down below down in the description for you guys to take a look at. But anyways, what we're going to do is wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you all for watching and have a good rest of your day.